You're going to do problem 8-2, letter C. So x squared plus 4x plus 1. So remember, in these problems we are looking at the area as a sum and seeing if we can factor. So make those tiles into a rectangle to get the area as a product. Alright, so A2C is x squared plus 4x plus 1. So I'm going to take out an x squared tile. There we go. X squared, 4 x's, and a 1. All right, and so we're going to put our x squared tile in the bottom left-hand corner, and we need to try to move our x's around to somehow try to make a rectangle. Remembering that x sides have to line up with x sides and unit sides have to line up with unit sides. So I'm going to keep trying this. Can't do that. Can't do that. So I'm trying to figure out if there's a way to make this a rectangle. And as I'm looking at it, I'm seeing there is not a way to make it a rectangle because I just don't have enough ones. No matter how I rearrange these tiles, I'm not going to be able to make a rectangle. So that means that this expression is not factorable.